Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Fly My Phantom. I've got the Mini 2. Great bit of kit, love it. Before that I had a Phantom 3, and with the Phantom 3 I could do what's called waypoint flying in the DJI Go 4 app. Now if you're not familiar with the term waypoint flying, it's also called autonomous flight or mission flights. And the idea is you set a series of waypoints and then you press a button and the quad will take off and fly the mission without you actually touching the joystick. It's a great idea. It gives you so much scope for doing things. Now the downside to use the DJI Go 4 app was you had to fly to each waypoint and then set it. So in essence you were flying the mission before you flew the mission. Now I know with the Mini 3 and Mini 4 you can set the mission actually on the tablet or phone, whichever device you're using. Not with the Mini 2 though, and the reason probably is because of hardware limitations. But I'm going to show you a way to do waypoint flying on the Mini 2 using an app called the Litchi app. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is download Litchi to your tablet or your phone. It's Android or iOS. If you buy Android, you can only use it on Android. If you buy iOS, you can have it on iOS only. I've got it on both because I use it quite a lot. Now this is what's called the Mission Hub or the Flight Planning Hub, and it's a great bit of kit. As you can see, this is the mission that I've set using waypoints. I've set a POI here, and as the mission flies around, you can see what the camera will be looking at. Now here's the other thing though, you see, once I've done this, I can then fly this in a virtual Earth, which is really good. So what you need to do is download Google Earth Pro, not Google Earth, because that's not available anymore. It was, but now it's not available. Google Earth Pro works just as well though, because that's what we're going to be using to do the virtual touring. Now the last thing you're going to need to do is install an add-on for your browser. There's one for Chrome, there's one for Firefox. I'll leave the link to this particular page in the description box below. Just head over to either Chrome or Firefox and install this extension. So with everything installed, you're ready to create your first mission, as I've done here. It might look slightly complicated, but you will get used to it in time. Clicking on the eye down the bottom left brings up all the shortcuts that you can use when you're creating your mission for the first time. Once you create your mission and you're happy with it, come down to missions, you'll see an option called Export as VLM. So click on that, that will download, as you can see there, a KML file. What you need to do is go to your downloads folder and you'll find it there. Just double click it, it should be associated with Google Earth. So we're going to double click on that and Google Earth should launch. There we go. And then over on the left here you'll have your KML file there. Click the little arrow next to it and you'll see something called Virtual Mission. Just double click on that and your virtual mission will start to play. You can use the little bar down here to move forwards or backwards within the KML file. Don't worry about the blotchy graphics to start with, just that my browser's a bit slow. It does actually render better once you've paused it and then played again. It should come, but there we go, that's a little bit better, you can see more now. And that's it, that's how you create a mission. Now here's the best part of course about Litchi. Once you've created this mission and you've downloaded the app, if you sign into the app with the same details that you logged into the Mission Hub with, all the flights that you create in the Mission Hub will be available on your tablet or your phone, ready for you to go out in the field and fly. You need to do that of course while connected to the internet, so if you've got a mobile device with data then you'll do it that way, if not just do it at home. And you're ready to go and you're ready to fly your mission. What I love about this is you can see I've tweaked this probably half a dozen times. I can see what the mission's going to look like and I can't wait to go in September and actually see whether it does look like this.